Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this video let me show you how you can learn English in a Duolingo. So of course you can get inside the Duolingo app like this, and I'm currently in the German course, right? I can switch between the courses and I can learn Spanish and so on, but it assumes that I speak English already, which I do, but you can also learn English as a speaker of other languages. So the way that it would work is that you would click on the selection of languages, and at the top, scroll through your courses, and all the way on the right, you can click on the plus button to add a new one. And of course, you have things like the chess and at the top, whatever. Below, you have for English speakers. So if you speak English as a first language and want to learn other one, you go through this list. So for example, you will learn Spanish, but we're going to close this tab. And below you can see other languages. So for instance, let's say I speak French and I want to learn something else, right? I want to learn English as a French person. So I'm going to expand the for French speakers and click on English right there, right? So this is what I'm going to go through like that. I'm going to continue, and this will essentially change the UI language of the app to French, because French is my first language, right? So I'm gonna change it to French like this. The whole thing is gonna change, and you can see that it now tells me, or I have to go through the setup process, but everything is in French because I speak that as my first language, and now I'm learning English as a French speaker. But yeah, that's how it works. You can go through it as you wish. It's pretty simple, but that's essentially all that you need to know about it. So I hope it helps. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next uploads.